Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a text module in your Divi WordPress website. Let's log in into your website, and after that let's go to dashboard. Now let's edit one of the page. Now enable Fuel Builder. So Divi theme has its own page builder where you can start design. Okay, now if you want to add a text module, and before that now we can add a new section. After that, here you can search for text. So here you can see this is our text module, and after that now we can add our own text. If you want to delete this text, just you can select, and after that you can add backspace. Here you can see text is removed. Now if you want to add some headings, press enter, and after that here on the top we can add headings. And now select it. After that here you can see paragraph. Now let's click on the heading. Okay, now we have heading and text. Every Divi module has content, design and advanced. So now let's go to design tab, and after that just click here text. Now scroll down, and here you can find customizations for the text module. If you want to align the text in the center, just click here. Here you can see text is aligned in the center. You can also increase text size. You can change the text color. And if you want to change the heading color, just click here, and after that go to heading text. Now here you can see you can select heading font. You can search any font, and after that click here. Okay, now you can increase font weight, font style, heading alignment, and you can also add heading color. Here you can see heading color is changed. And after that you can increase heading text size. Now scroll down, and here you can find various options. Line height option that can allow you add some gap. Also you can add some shadow. Okay, now here you can also add shadow color, and after that there are various some other options. For example, sizing. Here you can increase or decrease module width, and after that spacing options, border, box shadow, and these are the options for the text module. You can also use advanced options. You can also add custom CSS and apply various conditions. Then click here, and after that click save. So this is the way to add a text module in Divi WordPress website.